Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the top-tier blenders on the market, the Vitamix A3500. Known for its exceptional performance and versatility, this blender has garnered quite a reputation. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. Starting with the design, the Vitamix A3500 boasts a sleek and modern look. It's crafted from high-quality materials, giving it a sturdy and durable feel. The blender features a touchscreen interface with 5 pre-programmed settings and a variable speed dial for precise control. The 64-ounce capacity makes it suitable for large batches, whether you're blending smoothies or soups. Moving on to performance, the A3500 shines brightly. It effortlessly crushes ice into a consistently fine texture, akin to what you'd expect from a commercial ice machine. Smoothies are a breeze with this blender, producing silky smooth results in seconds. However, it struggled a bit with oat milk, occasionally leaving a chalky residue. When it comes to nut butter, it's capable but not as proficient as dedicated food processors. One of the standout features of the A3500 is its ease of use. The touchscreen controls are intuitive, and the included tamper helps push ingredients toward the blades, ensuring thorough blending. Cleaning is a breeze. A quick rinse often suffices, and the auto clean mode works effectively without leaks or mess. For tech enthusiasts, this blender offers smart connectivity via the Vitamix Perfect Blend app. Through Bluetooth, you can access over 500 recipes and 17 preset programs, complete with nutritional information. It's a handy feature for those looking to explore new culinary creations. So, should you invest in the Vitamix A3500? If you prioritize top-notch smoothies, ice-crushing capabilities, and durability backed by a solid warranty, then absolutely. It's a premium product that delivers on its promises, albeit at a premium price. That wraps up our review of the Vitamix A3500 blender. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth product reviews. Have you used the A3500? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.